Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. So as you all have probably noticed, I've been a little MIA over the last month, and I wanted to sit down. I have a project planned for today, but I wanted to sit down first and kind of talk to you all a little bit about what's going on. First off, I have moved. I'm no longer living on that 2-acre property that I've been doing videos on for the past 2 years. I have mixed feelings about it, and it's been very hard. That's why I've not been on here much over the last month. It's been very hard to even get the camera out to talk about this because I had so many ideas and so many plans for my property, and now those aren't going to be able to get done. I don't share my personal life on this channel very much, so most of you don't know that I have a very strong belief and faith in God, and I've been doing a lot of praying. This has been something that I've been thinking about for quite a while now, and I've been praying about it, and an opportunity came up and I took it. I'm not 100% sure what the future is going to hold for me, but I do have something planned further out in the future, probably starting next year, at the beginning of next year, that I'm very excited about. I don't want to announce it yet on the channel. There's still a few things that have to happen in order for that particular thing to happen, but it's something that I've been thinking about for a while, and I'm very excited about it. Now, with all that being said, right now I don't have my own property to work on. However, my parents are wanting a lot of work done in their yard, so I'm going to be doing a lot of work over here. I'm at my parents' house right now. I'm going to be doing a lot of work over here and helping them get their yard looking good and get some landscaping done over here. So this channel is not going anywhere. The name's going to stay the same for now. I don't know what the name will be later on. But I have really enjoyed over the last 2 years, actually more than 2 years now, I really enjoyed creating videos and sharing them with you all, and you all have been so supportive and helped me out with so many ideas, and I'm very grateful for all that. So none of that's changing. I am going to continue to make videos and continue to share them with you all, and hopefully you all enjoy them as much as you did the videos on my other property. I know deep down that this is the right move for me. I've been working on strengthening my relationship with God, and this is a step that had to be taken in order to do that. So I hope that you all understand. I know that you all were excited just as I was to see how things evolved on my 2-acre property, and that's the hardest thing about this entire move is the ideas and plans that I had for that area. It won't be able to happen now, but I'm very excited and happy for the future, and I know that things are going to work out for the best. Now, with all that being said, I do have a project planned, and I actually have some plants from my old property. I was lucky enough to be able to bring some of them with me. So let me go ahead and take you over there, and I'll show you what I'm going to be working on today. Okay, so here's what I'm going to be working on today. I'm going to be planting these 3 Empress Wu hostas. These will get pretty big. These will get about 4 feet tall and 6 feet wide. So I dug these up when I moved and brought them over here to my parents' house. And I thought they would do good here up against this deck to kind of hide the space that's up underneath the deck. And then I also have this sweet autumn clematis. I'm not going to be planting it here. I just have it in the shade right now because I don't know exactly where I'm going to plant that yet, but I'll move it for this project. So I'm going to get these planted. Eventually, I'm going to dig out a flower bed. Oh, and also, I dug out and brought with me this Nico blue hydrangea. It's blooming pink right now because the soil is too alkaline for it to turn blue. So I need to get some acidic fertilizer to put around it to make them turn blue because the soil here isn't very acidic apparently. But I'm going to probably go from the steps right here that go up to the deck to the pool. Start right here on the edge of the steps and curve it around. I don't know exactly what shape we're going to do yet, so I haven't dug all this out. As you can see, it's still got a lot of grass and stuff in there. So I want to hold off on that, but I desperately need to get these in the ground before they die. So I'm going to get these planted today. And then a couple of days ago, I came in and planted these blackberry plants. I have 4 of them over here on this side of the pool deck. My dad wants them to grow up and on this railing right here to kind of fill in this area. And this area is kind of in the same situation. I'm not sure. I know that there's going to be a flower bed along these blackberry plants, but I don't know exactly what shape we're going to do yet. So I'm holding off on that too. Now I also have this blackberry. I pulled it off of one of the plants here a couple of days ago, and I wanted to try it. Honestly, I don't know if I've ever had a blackberry before. It's kind of sad, but I thought I would try it on here and see how it tastes. It's not too bad. I like it. It's a little bit sour, but I think that's how they're supposed to taste. That is awful that I've never had a blackberry before. But yeah, it's pretty good. I liked it. So what do you all do with blackberries? Those of you that have blackberry plants in your yards, what do you all do with them? Give me some ideas down below, because there's quite a few blackberries on these plants growing. I don't think any more are ripe enough for me to pick off right now, but there's quite a few on there, and as these grow bigger, there's going to be more and more. So let me know down in the comments what you all do with them if you grow them. Okay, so I got all these planted in. I'm thinking that this hydrangea, I may have to move forward a little bit because it's pretty close to this hosta over here, but I think these are gonna fill in and look really good over here, especially once I get this flower bed completely cut out. Hi, Camo. Cameron's birthday was yesterday. He turned 3, and that was his birthday present. And now, whoa. And now Maddie, say hi, Maddie.
Hi.
Maddie wants to show you the flowers that she planted the other day up here on the pool deck. And speaking of the pool, we finally got it, after a little research, we finally got the pool cleared up. We had to put, I think, 6 pounds of shock in it to clear it up, but now it's crystal clear. And here are
my plants.
Maddie's plants. All right, do you remember what they were called?
So this one is, I don't know.
Here, I'll come to this side. All right, can you read them off? Do you remember?
These are Cosmos.
Yep, middle. What are these? Over here.
Zamia?
Zinnias.
Zinnia.
And then these?
I can't remember.
Marigolds.
Marigolds?
Yep.
But they're doing really good.
Yeah, they are. They're getting
They've been
big.
growing.
I can't wait to see these fill out this pot.
We'll probably have to move them into a different pot here soon.
No, I think that this one will be all right. They'll just fill it in really nicely and be pretty on this table.
I'm gonna go go get my bangs so don't jump in the pool.
Okay, well, I think now's the time that we're gonna get in the pool. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Do you like your new truck?
Uh-huh. A big truck.
Did you have a good birthday yesterday?
Uh-huh.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
You're not 16. How old are you?
I'm 3.
You're 3. Good job. Bye.